One of the most basic skills, yet most important skills that we can have as EMS providers is providing ventilations and taking care of that airway and breathing. Now, this is something that we're going to be tested on a national registry, so we want to take a look at what it actually looks like. When we're doing our BVM skills, we want to find that bridge of the nose, bring it down to the chin, use our EC clamp, and lift up. Now, we can have a tendency to overventilate, either pushing too hard or pushing too fast. What I like to say to get past this is pinky to pointer, because when I go pinky to pointer, it slows me down, gives me something to think about, so even if I'm excited, I'm in a little bit of a rhythm. Otherwise, I'm slamming air in, and that's causing barotrauma. We don't breathe like that, so we're not gonna simulate that for this person that needs our help breathing. So, pinky to pointer, and we're gonna do this once every 5 to 6 seconds. We want the breath to be in about 1 to 2 seconds when we give the ventilation. And it looks a little something like this. I find the bridge of the nose, my EC clamp and lift up, pinky to pointer, and I'm looking for good chest rise and fall. If I'm slamming air in, it's gonna find a place to go, and it's either coming out of the mask, or it's going into the airway, or it's going into the stomach. I like to say that we have an air hole and a food hole, and when we're providing too much pressure, we're gonna fill that food hole, and then eventually, it's gonna find its way out, and we're working in vomit. I hate working in vomit. So remember, we're just looking for that chest rise and fall, and we are going pinky to pointer to give them the opportunity to breathe.